Welcome to another product of the month video. And the product for this month is flush cutters. Multiple different brands, it doesn't matter. Just any kind of flush cutters. I've had good luck with pretty much any brand, even the cheapies. Like these I think came from Harbor Freight or something. And then you got, a little bit better brand. If you don't have a pair of these, you should have a pair. You might be thinking, what's the big deal about miniature little wire cutters? Well, they're not wire cutters. I mean, you can cut small wires with them and stuff, but their best use is for cutting zip ties. Say you were zip tying something around this bolt for some reason. And then you go to cut that off. Say you were using a regular pair of wire cutters and you go to cut this thing off, and you're left with this sticking out, and it's normally sharp. This one's actually pretty sharp. Most people might be like, well, what's the issue with that? Well, the issue with that is if you're zip tying, say, something inside your dash, and then you cut that off and you got this sharp edge, and you go in there, a couple months later, a year later, even a week later, you're not going to remember exactly where you put that zip tie. So if you're inside the car and you go to reach inside that dash, you go reaching in and you go past that, you're going to, scrape your hand across that. And I've actually had one incident where it actually split my hand open. I mean, it wasn't like, extreme or anything, but it actually cut it open and started bleeding pretty bad. And after that, I got a pair of flush cutters, and that's all I use. So I'll take another zip tie here. And we'll go right next to where we just used wire cutters. And these you can put all the way up against the zip tie. Cut that off. And then look, that is completely flush. No sharp edges, nothing. So, like I said, it may seem like something simple or something that you never think of. And some people that already have flush cutters are probably like, oh yeah, what big deal, flush cutters. Well, there are quite a few people out there that don't have a set of these, and I imagine there's quite a few of you that have cut yourself and scratched yourself on those jagged zip ties before. So that's it for another product of the month. I know this one was kind of simple, and some of you might have thought it was silly, but I thought these were a fairly important tool. Once I got my first set, I don't know why I didn't get them sooner. So I hope you guys enjoy these product of the month videos. These come out every month. They come out on the second Sunday of every month. I also have another monthly series that is monthly tip or trick that comes out every third Friday of the month. And then I've got a new video that comes out every Wednesday, and then I scatter some videos here and there. So if you're new to the channel, or if you came across this and you're not one of my subscribers, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff other than these. I've got, project vehicles that we work on and all kinds of different stuff. So make sure to go in there and check out a couple videos. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.